Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change ringtone focus on your WeChat app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say, and you just click here on settings, and it's going to take you to settings window here. Then you just click here on message notifications, and you come to this window here, and you go down and you come here to ringtone for incoming calls. You click and you click here on change, and here you can change your ringtone and select your new ringtone for calls on your WeChat app. So here you can set a ringtone. So that's all. So you just click and it's going to add with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.